Thank you, Adulo. Now, government is in advanced stages of developing professional human resource to bolster the bamboo industry that has been identified as key sector that can contribute to the economic development. Government is collaborating with different institutions' plans to design specific courses geared at creating professionalism in the bamboo industry.
The Dutch Sino-East African Bamboo Development Program is implemented in the 3 countries, including Uganda, Kenya and Ethiopia. The program, funded by the Dutch government, Chinese and 3 implementing countries, aims at unlocking the potential of bamboo enterprise in economic development. In Uganda, the promotion of bamboo is being spearheaded by the National Forestry Authority under the Ministry of Water and Environment.
As you deliberate, I want you to address the shortages in acquisition of bamboo, planting materials, research in high-yielding varieties, market for the bamboo raw materials and products, as well as increasing awareness about bamboo for the benefit of our economies.
But as government embarks on the promotion of bamboo, it has been realized that there is need to develop the required human resource.
We have already signed a contract with the Nyabia Forestry College to provide a course for certificate in forestry and a certificate in, and diploma in forestry, 2 courses, and those courses will be called integrated biotechnology for bamboo. So those 2 courses will help to improve the professional body, the professionals, the number of professionals that are in bamboo. At the moment, it is currently we are few. But once students start learning about integrated bamboo technology, it would help us to have a huge or a larger body of scientists and professionals that would be dealing in the bamboo industry.
Dr. Charles Kojo is a bamboo entrepreneur who has never looked back since he ventured into growing it in 2017. Owning about 5,000 acres of bamboo in Hoima City, Dr. Kojo has now ventured in bamboo value addition by making toothpicks, curtains and mats, and he says the sky is the limit.
Involved in actual promoting and encouraging people to have bamboo so that they can also start tapping into a potential bamboo business, which is a very huge business in the world. In Uganda, we think it can go up to 5-10 billion if people got involved in bamboo. Bamboo, first of all, is very critical now with climate change for resilience. We are also looking at carbon trading. You can see around our place everything we have used is bamboo. Our factory is constructed using bamboo. It's 350 square meters. Our chain link is bamboo.
His dream is to see the planting of bamboo take shape as an alternative cash crop.
And one of my inspirations was to try and see that bamboo. When I visited China, I read in the books, and when I came back from China, I went to Ethiopia, I saw the bamboo being utilized. So I said this is the only way to have alternative economy apart from the oil. Living from Bunyoro, everybody's talking about oil.
The Dutch Sino-East African Bamboo Development Program is now helping Uganda to widen her knowledge and skills on the use and production of bamboo products for industrial development.
Also, time to time organizing the virtual exposure visit from here to going people to China, so that they can gather the knowledge what is happening on the cluster development, enterprise development, and also some ready-made technology in terms of the, like example, the charcoal making, how to do this thing, then also bamboo cosmetics, and appropriate tools and machines.
To increase the amount of plantation in smallholder farmers and investors like Dr. Kojo here, a big plantation, then the next step is to increase the utilization aspect, that is, increase the production line of bamboo products.
The promotion of bamboo in Uganda will hopefully provide an alternative source of timber and other wood-demanded products, since it takes short time to mature compared to other trees. Adiana Kote, UBC.